I equate the concept of longevity with vitality. In other words, I like the idea of being able to live until 85, 90, 95, 100 years old, but not just having the quantity of those years, but having the quality of those years. Imagine a scenario where you're walking independently, your mental faculties are sharp, and you live with the utmost vitality until your last day on this planet. I think that's a beautiful, beautiful image. Hi, I'm Dr. Wilkes.
Hi, I'm Chaz.
Hi, I'm Christy Anderson, co-founder of Onus IV Therapy and Longevity. Chaz, Dr. Ben, and I founded Onus back in 2015 because we believe that IV therapy is truly beneficial to helping people live better days.
If you think about it, people are already using it to stave off illness or to help themselves in a proactive way. So for us transitioning to a longevity brand, IV therapy was the perfect foundation.
Adding additional longevity services here at Onus is a no-brainer in my mind because it gives people more tools in their toolbox. Supplements, hormone therapy, things that they can take home and purchase from us and use in their home on a daily basis will enhance what they're already doing with IV therapy here at Onus. In addition to adding these proactive wellness longevity services here at Onus, we're really excited to announce our partnership with FranSmart, the global leader in franchise development. Known for their work with Five Guys, Qdoba, and more recently, the emerging exciting brand Glow 30.
We're going to use FranSmart to help us find like-minded individuals who want to operate franchises at the forefront of their community, bringing health, wellness, and positive choices into every interaction.
In addition to our partnership with FranSmart, we have decided to use this opportunity to raise capital through a crowdfunding platform known as Start Engine. Start Engine is unique in that it allows smaller investors to take part in a fundraise, which up until 2016, you had to be a high net worth individual in order to participate in private equity. Now, this allows us to invite
our loyal customers, our own employees, and our friends and family
to become a part of us, to see our journey and help support it along the way.
So if you're curious and learning and knowing more,
I'd like to personally invite you to join us on the Onus journey and our mission of helping people live better, longer. Check out the Start Engine platform. Hope to see you out there.